Karim. So to recite this surah, I would like to request, she is already on the stage, Shumaya Sheikh.
Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Inna atainakal kautsar fasali rabbika wanhar. Inna shaniyaka huwal abtar. Assalamualaikum.
MashaAllah. It was Surah Kawthar, the smallest surah in the Quran.